Oh, he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Metal Customs. Once again, we're back on the Dodge Warlock project, and so far so good. I've been getting a lot done. The way it looks, Casey may be back next week. Yeah, apparently he got really sick. But in the meantime, I'll do what I can get done. Let me show y'all where I'm at right now and give you a little bit of catch up. All right, I got that plastic piece in the dash, emergency brake pedals installed and all hooked up. I also fixed this emergency brake lever assembly. They're bad about getting stuck. Took it apart, cleaned it, lubed it real good with some red grease, some synthetic grease. That ought to take care of that. I have 5 coats of paint on this dash. I know the camera doesn't show it, but it's sort of streaky, like tiger striped. So I'm going to try my best. We're going to take that 2000 right there and water sand this and see if we can get it to looking better. I've got the steering column disassembled. And we've got to get that cleaned up just a little bit more and get some fresh paint on it. And I'll show you why I took the steering column apart. I had to take it all apart just so I could get that bad boy out. Got it cleaned up. Got the shifter done, polished all of it up. Ignition switch. Blinker lever. Yeah, all of that cleaned up really well. And let me take you out here. Steering column comes apart in 3 pieces. That lens piece I was showing you actually sits down in the front here. So this one goes over top of it. So the only one left was that one for the shifter, which I went ahead and took it off because it needed a good clean. Now these here have 3 coats of paint on them and 2 coats of the, what do you call it, matte clear. So they should be pretty well ready to rock and roll. I'm going to let them sit out here and dry a little more. A couple little things, the latch, glove box, got it painted good. Need to water sand and clear it. And I just started on the inner piece for the, I call that a glove box. That's not a glove box, that's an ashtray. Inner piece of the ashtray, and then the hinge system for the glove box. Yeah, that's more like it. So, I'm going to run back outside and get a little bit more paint on the pieces I got sitting out there. Then we'll come in here and we'll wet sand this dash. Alright guys, what I've got here is some 2000. This is wet or dry. A bunch of clean water. This is how you use it for rinsing. And always want to get your paper soaked down real good. But when it comes to sanding, I like to have something a little slick on it. Now you can take soap, water, whatever, dishwashing liquid, really doesn't matter. But for me, it always seems to work better. We've got a little soap in there. Alright, now I'm not going to go crazy on this. But keep it light, steady. Just like so. What I'm doing, I'm feeling for smoothness. When I feel it getting smooth, I stop sanding there and I go to a different spot. Really hoping this will do the trick, because you want to do all of this before you put any of your clear on. Even though this is flat, we want to shoot that clear on it right now. Man, this thing with tiger stripes show up like sort of thumb. Yeah, it wouldn't be loaded. Alright, well, I'm going to keep on keeping on, get the whole dash done, then we'll get it rinsed and wiped down, and see what we accomplished. Alright guys, got that dash all water sanded down, and actually I have a couple coats of clear on it, still want a streak. So what I'm doing, I'm going to bring it in here and let it sit overnight, and then see if I can get some clear on it in the paint booth instead of outside. I think that the clear is drying too fast is the problem. Same way with the ashtray, the streak. But I did get to go through and clean up all these parts. There's that trim, but it turned out nice. Bezel, the plastics for the defrost. Yeah, that's coming along really good. It turned out really clean. Got the word custom cleaned up when I get the chrome trim around it. I'll show you how we do that later. Steering column parts are done and drying. I'm just going to let them sit out here tonight. They'll be fine. As is the hinge and the ashtray insert. And I've got my steering column out here, and I got some primer on it. And it's just going to sit out here. And then tomorrow we'll check it and probably shoot some paint and some clear on it as well. Alright guys, well, we're making a little bit of progress. I do have the steering wheel assembly all put back together. Oh yes. That turned out very, very nice. So we can be put back in the vehicle at any time. Say I'm working on the steering wheel. You see right over there. Yeah, we're working on it. But now that dash. Oh, I can't get in. Oh. The dash turned out terrible. I am very disappointed. Well, learn a good lesson here. Don't use spray cans for something of this size. So, what I'm going to do, and this be on my dime and my time since I made the mistake, I'm going to sand this all down, and I'm just going to buy a quart of that Hot Rod Black, single stage, and make this thing look nice, it and the ashtray. Got most of my stuff cleaned up, ready to go back in. Oh, the Dodge emblem. This says, well, the custom. Got that silver on that. Yeah, it's a little sparkly. But I think it looks pretty good. We'll see what the customer thinks. And as you can hear, there's noise out back. Well, Casey's gotten to feel better. And he's out here in the 1,000-degree sunlight. Well, at least you are in the shade. Are they coming loose? Alright, see that filler neck right there? I was trying to get it out because, as y'all can see, that thing is nasty. Alright, we'll probably go ahead and bring this inside and maybe soak it with some penetrant or something like that and see what we can accomplish. Well, Casey's also working on the windshield wiper assembly. He's got it out here, all cleaned up and painted. Hopefully it'll dry soon and we can get that put in. Alright guys, Casey finally got that out of there. He's been working on it forever. He had to take the grinder, hammer, and a couple of chisels. Now he's going to try to see if he can get the bolts out. Let's put some of that spray down in there. And here's the filler neck. Yeah, it's rusted, it's toast. We'll have to tell the gentleman to order us a new one. Now we'll put some penetrant on there and hope they come out. Casey got all the windshield wiper system done up. Y'all can see there, all new bushings and everything. And everything's been painted real nice. Just get it installed. And also, we got the steering column set in there. Yeah, that looks nice. We can pick up the dash and go over top of that. That's no problem. Yeah, happy with the way that turned out. Well, everyone, we was not able to get a whole lot more done. Time just got away from us, and we had some other work roll in that we went ahead and got on to. Some muffler work that we needed to do. But I'm happy with what's going on so far and the progress that we have made, the time that we do have to work on the truck. The owner stopped by. He's happy as well. Brought us more new parts and stuff, so we're always happy to see that. So, next week, we'll be back on it. Get the dash done, get the interior done. He did bring some more of the fat mat style insulation where we can finish that interior. And we're going to put some inside the doors too to help with the sound deadening of that as well, among other things, whatever we get into. He's going to go try to find a new gas tank because them studs are so rusted in there. You can't get them out. No drilling tap's going to do it. It is what it is. So new gas tank will have to be brought in, and we'll get all this stuff rolling and get it on the truck. Again, I appreciate y'all watching. Hope you're enjoying this series on the Warlock. It's a cool, rare truck, and in my opinion, we're happy to have it and be able to work on it. Well, if y'all would, throw me down some comments, and please like, share, and subscribe. That's a big thing. Throw this video out to your friends. Let's see if we can get this channel doing a little bit better. Surely be appreciated. Till the next one, I hope that everyone has a fantastic day.